Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can deposit money into Webull using Wells Fargo. So first step is to link your Wells Fargo account to Webull. So open your Webull application and then log in using your credentials and then navigate to the transfer section, which is in here. You have to click on this one and then select bank account and then choose add account. So you can just see it in here and then search for and select Wells Fargo from the list of banks. And then you just really have to enter your Wells Fargo online banking credentials to link the account. Now, after that, just initiate a deposit. So after linking, go back to the transfer section and tap on deposit right here. And then just enter the amount that you wish to deposit and confirm the linked Wells Fargo account as the source. And then you just have to review all the details and make sure that they're all right, and then confirm the deposit right after. And after that, just wait for the funds to settle. So deposits via ACH transfer typically takes 1 to 3 business days to process. So you can monitor the status of your deposit within the Webull application under the transfers. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!